In this 2022 Ford Explorer King Ranch Edition. Ford Explorer has been around since 1991, and if you could believe it, this is the first time ever to the Explorer platform with this King Ranch. Let me show you some of the features. 10.1-inch vertical infotainment. It's the Sync 4 system, very quick reacting. You do have some gloss blacks, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats. Storage area, USB-C, USB-A, and a 12 volt. 10-speed automatic transmission. It's that rotary style. Real wood finishing, 12-inch digital display. Right now we're in eco mode. Hit the selector button, select sport, and now everything's gonna change with the checkered flag logo there, and the instrumentation looks totally different. Country Western style with the seats full leather. You got the King Ranch logo and the two-tone brown twin turbo V6 engine putting out 365 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 5.3 seconds.